Cassandra is a best example for unstructured data.
Yes, sir.
Like it can handle structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Then we are going for big data technologies like distributed computing, like HDFS. The major concepts of big data, HDFS and Cassandra. You can call it as map reduce. HDFS is nothing but a Hadoop distributed file system. If you are feeding data into the system will divide it into number of chunks. Each chunk will take each node like a master slave architecture. You know, server client architecture, Ramchand. I think you might be knowing.
Yes, sir.
So same thing here we are following like a master slave architecture for HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. It can handle a huge volume of data. Then it can perform in data parallelism and fault tolerance. You know what is meant by fault tolerance, Ramchand? There are 100 systems are there. 100 servers are in a data center. One server is not working properly, but 99 servers are supporting for generating real-time data instead of one server failure. That type of system and technology is called fault tolerance. Tell me now what
Uh,
you understood.
yeah, actually, let's say, for example, there are 10 servers that is doing job for
Yes,
my business. Unfortunately,
correct.
one server which is not functioning properly. So
Perfect.
the load will be shared by the other 9 servers so that the job does not stop in between and the work continues on and
Ah,
on. Yes.
correct. That is called a fault
Yes.
tolerance.
Yes, sir.
If anybody will ask you that question, you
Yeah.
need to tell this answer. I'm
Yeah.
expecting from you.
Sure. Sure.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's why we are enabling efficient data processing across multiple systems. Then we are going for architecture of big data technologies like analyzing the structural design of big data systems. You know, architecture means structure. Structure is nothing but a composition of software and hardware components and connections among them, with including data storage layers, processing frameworks, and resource management components that work together to handle a huge volume of data operations. That is called architecture. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we have a number of tools for big data technologies, like we have major concepts too. One is the HDFS. What is the expansion of HDFS? Ramchand,
Yes, sir.
HDFS means Hadoop distributed file system.
Okay, sir. Hadoop distributed file system.
What it does means it takes a huge volume of data as an input.
Yes,
It
sir.
is divided into number of chunks. Each chunk will take as a master slave architecture, and then it can respond to the master node as a client. Then responds, I'm working very well, like that it can respond. Then what is meant by data pre-processing framework? Map reduces a programming model with the help of Java programming. We are writing a program, we are compiling the program, we are executing the program, finally we are deploying the program. That is called map reduce with the help of Java programming.
Yes, sir.
And data analysis tools like data warehousing tools like Hive and HBase. Pig is a data pre-processing language, data streaming language. Now tell me, what is the definition of data streaming language? I have explained already.
Yes, sir.
What
I
is
mean,
streaming?
streaming is all about, let's say, I mean, the examples of streaming are, let's say, YouTube videos, live cricket matches,
Perfect,
live
perfect.
football matches. So it is
Correct.
between,
Data flow. You need
yeah,
to tell like this.
yeah,
Data flow between server to system, system to server, server to server,
server.
system to system.
Yes, sir.
Data center to data center
Center.
is called streaming data. Keep in
Okay,
mind.
okay, sir.
Best example programming language is called a pig. Pig is a programming language.
Okay, sir.
What type of programming language? Streaming programming language you need to tell.
Okay, sir.
What is meant by streaming? Now tell me.
Yeah. Streaming is all about data flow
Flow of
from,
data.
yeah, data flow,
Flow of data.
flow of
Ah,
data from server to system, system to server, vice versa.
correct.
The examples
Correct.
are live coverages of matches and then live coverages of any, let's say, when the Australian president talking on a live coverage. So those data are streamlined data.
Correct. That is Anthony Albanese is a president of Australia. Keep
Okay,
in mind.
okay, sir.
Techniques of big data technologies. We have a number of techniques. Keep in mind. Data mining techniques. What are the data mining techniques, Ramchan? We have clustering techniques. We have classification techniques. We have regression techniques.
Okay,
We
sir.
have association rule mining techniques
Dimensionality
and
induction,
error detection, recommender engine, etc. What
etc.
about machine learning? Learning from the observational
Observational data set.
data, which can be solved with the help of supervised learning,
Learning,
unsupervised
unsupervised
learning,
learning,
and unstructured.
reinforcement learning.
Reinforcement learning. Perfect. Then what about the predictive analytics that are applied to extract valuable insights from big data? Maybe weather forecasting, stock market analysis, NASA data, traffic data, etc.
Okay, sir.
Then what are the advantages of big data technologies? We are getting so many benefits, including decision making capabilities, improved operational efficiency, and the ability to uncover hidden patterns and the correlation of within large data sets, interesting analytics, and meaningful data we are extracting from the huge volume of data. What are the disadvantages we are getting? There is a still data privacy concerns mean security problem. Maybe sensitive data like DRDO data, they won't reveal that much easily to everybody. Okay, DRDO data. You know Ramchand DRDO,
Department of, I think, research,
Research and Development
development.
Organization.
Yeah.
It is there in Sulurpeta, Nellore district.
Yes, sir.
Sriharikota,
Yeah.
Shar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even in Thiruvananthapuram, it is there in Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the complexity of data management, it and the need for substantial computational resources. We need to have a data center in order to compute the huge volume of data. What are the research challenges of big data technology? Still developing scalable algorithms means, you know what is meant by scalable, Ramchan? Do you
Uh,
have any idea?
Scalable is all about, let's say,
Size of the data.
extending, uh,
Very good, very good, very good.
expanding.
Your
Yeah.
answer is correct. Size of the data, if you are increasing, you need to increase the size of the server or data center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is called ensuring scalable algorithms and ensuring data security everywhere. Data is there, there is a security problem, and integrating heterogeneous data sources. What is meant by heterogeneous, Ramchand?
Heterogeneous is all about like
Different types of
yeah,
data.
mix of data. Yeah.
Correct, correct.
If it is
Then what are the
homogeneous,
algorithms?
then one type of
Homogeneous,
data.
same type of data.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Algorithms of big data technologies is nothing but we are having so many big data algorithms like parallel processing algorithms and those designed to real-time data analysis. Now see, top 10 major concepts of big data analytics. Now I have explained only 3 V's. What are the 3 V's, Ramchan?
Yeah,
Can you
volume,
explain?
volume is all about the size of the data.
Correct.
Variety is all about the different types of data like audio, video, text, image, graphics, animations. These are all the varieties of data. And then veracity of data is all about um, uh, the size of the data, different
Correct.
sizes of the data. It may be more
Which
than
one?
1 terabytes and beyond.
Which one? Which one you are saying?
Veracity.
Veracity is different.
Different types of data.
Variety, ah,
Audio,
veracity is
audio,
nothing but
video, text, image,
ah,
graphics, animations. These are all,
yes.
yeah, veracity. Whereas,
Then what about value define the complexity and scale of big data? Veracity and value we are added right now.
yes, sir.
Previously, three types: volume,
Volume, variety,
variety.
velocity.
What is meant by veracity
Velocity is all
and
about,
value? Ah,
uh, sir, actually, volume is the size.
correct,
Variety is the different types like audio, video, text,
correct,
graphic,
correct.
animation. Uh,
Velocity means speed of the data,
yeah, speed of the data.
uploading and downloading.
Yeah.
Veracity means and value means tell me.
Value is all about the importance of the data, like the,
Correct, correct. That is correct. The
okay,
importance of the data. Veracity means it can combine both volume, variety, velocity, everything comes to veracity.
veracity.
Ah,
Okay, veracity.
yeah,
Okay, sir.
maybe how much duration it can solve the problem.
Okay, sir.
To define the complexity and the scale of big data. Then what are the big data storage solutions? We have HDFS. What is
Hadoop,
the expansion of HDFS?
Hadoop distributed file system.
Because
Mhm.
of cloud-based storage
Yeah,
system. Why it is a cloud-based storage system?
because,
Because
yeah,
there is a internet. Otherwise, there is no internet, there is no cloud. Keep in mind.
yes, sir.
Internet is the major limitation of cloud computing.
Okay, okay, sir.
Who developed internet? Bold Bernard Newman.
Newman, yes, sir.
Yeah, what is internet? Network of networks.
Networks.
What is network? Interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan
Metropolitan
area.
area network.
Perfect. Are you understanding my language?
Yeah, yeah, very much, sir. It's quite sweet actually to listen from you.
Yeah, because I am a Telugu medium guy. I don't know English.
No,
Up
it's
to
very nice. It's very nice, sir.
11th and 12th, I studied Telugu medium.
Oh,
எனக்கு தமிழ் பிடிக்கும்பா, but I
oh,
don't know English much.
okay, okay.
But this HDFS is a heart of cloud computing, including with the virtualization. What is the backbone for cloud computing? You need to tell HDFS and virtualization. What is meant by HDFS? Hadoop distributed file
File
system.
system.
What it does, it takes as a input as a huge volume of data. It can divide it into number of subfiles. Each subfile we can call it as a chunk. Each chunk act as a slave node and acknowledge to the server node as a master node.
Okay,
That is called a client server computing technology. Keep in mind.
okay, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Then I'm moving to third technology called a big data processing framework. What is meant by framework? Framework is a combination of structured architecture which is having a combination of front end back end with which connections among them with the help of interface. We are developing application like Hadoop, Spark and .NET. These are the examples for framework. It is a technology such as Apache Hadoop and Spark and Apache Flink that process the huge volume of data is called a big data processing framework. Framework can support front end and back end connections among them, front end to back end, with the help of interface like Tomcat Apache server, you know,
Yes. Tomcat. No, sir.
Apache server
Okay.
and IBM server is there. Can you name it?
Mm,
It's okay. IBM tools, you know IBM tools?
no, sir.
Yeah, IBM is a product based company, not like a service based company. Service based company is nothing but, one second, Ramchan.
Okay, sir.
One second. Is nothing but there is no schema, there is no table, there is no structure, there is no procedure. But we are creating the table with help of NoSQL databases like non-relational databases like Hadoop, HBase, and the Mongo database, Cassandra and HBase, designed for a high performance and non-relational data storage. Then what we are doing, see, my you know what happened, uh, uh, my recording session is gone, no problem,
Okay.
you have to send me.
Yeah, sure, sir. I will
Okay.
send. I will send.
Then we are going for data mining and machine learning. You know, data mining is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data with the help of classification, regression, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, and a recommender engine. Then what about machine learning? Learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. We are solving the problems and we are predictions from big data using machine learning techniques and AI driven algorithms. What about the real-time big data analytics? We have streaming data. You know, Ramchand, how you can define streaming data?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Flow of,
Flow of
flow
data,
of,
flow of data from the
or
server to system, system to server.
correct. That is called flow of data analysis using Apache Kafka. Especially we are using Kafka, Apache Storm, and Apache Flink for communication between one system to one system, server to server, system to system, system to server, server to system to process in real time data. Then big data security and privacy. We are ensuring data protection through encryption, access control, and GDPR compliance. What about data integration and ETL? I think ETL you know very well. Extract, transform, loading. There are 18 tools are there, Ramchand, in Informatica: extraction, transformation, loading. It is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool to process for managing and integrating data from various sources. That is called data integration and ETL. What about big data in cloud computing? Adoption of cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure for scalable big data solutions. What about big data applications and use cases? We are implementation of industries like healthcare applications we are performing, finance applications we are performing, retail industries applications we are performing, and IoT Internet of Things applications we are performing for business intelligence and decision making. So with this one, I'm closing Ramchand
Okay, sir.
today's class.
Okay, sir.
Please share me that video.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Just now,
Sure.
yeah, up to